Hello friend, how are you? So I'm back. So I have created some beautiful smooth interaction with the music app. So like expand and drag to minimize your player. So like guys, I have created this interaction for you guys how you are going to learn or achieve this smooth interaction with your mobile application. And so I have created this interface. So and let me explain how I did achieve this interaction for the mobile application. You can see it will be very smooth and very good interaction for the. So whenever you are going to showcase to your stakeholders or the client, then you can create this kind of live experience to your client or stakeholder, so that they can get an idea how the music app will be work like this. I hope you guys like this small interaction, and let me explain how I did create this live experience for your mobile music application. So let me explain you. Let's go. So let me close all these things. I have created these three screens. So let me take this one to showcase how I did create this interaction. So I'm gonna remove all the interaction which I have created already, so you can design one screen this uh, in this way. So whenever you are so let me take a duplicate for this first duplicate of this screen, and I'm just going to remove all these UI element which I don't require for this interaction on this screen, because whenever I hit on it, it will be automatically expand on the screen in a full view. So let me create it. So okay, so I'm gonna create it like this. You need to expand the complete frame with your. Now you need to expand your image as well, and let me remove the extra elements over here. Let me remove it. I need to remove it this one as well. So let me make it. Let me create the prototyping for this one. So whenever I tap on it, and it will I am going to choose the smart animation linear 200. Let's play it, how it will going to work. Yes, perfectly fine. So now I'm going to add this element over here, this one and this one. Let me copy all these elements and add into this frame. I have added this frame. Let me change the status bar color. I have changed it. Let me add some overlay because the white section is merging with the background. And let's play. Ooh. Oh, so the interaction was wrong, and so that's why I need to correct this one. So let me, instead of going this, I should be going this. So let me play it again. Boom. Boom. Cool. Let me create the drag down to minimize this section. Let me take the copy of it. Let me minimize the. Let me see what exactly height I have given over for this image. So it's 109. So let me add this one as well, 109, and align with the bottom. Let me reduce the size of this one, put it on the right, make it align, and let me remove this UI element. Anything else, if I want to remove, not removing, I just put it over here, reducing the size. Okay, let me reduce this one, reduce this one, over here, reducing more. Let me make it 24, align it. Cool. I'm going to make it auto layout and make it center. Cool. And to make it center is, oops, sorry, center as well. So guys, I have already created an animated component for this visualizer, and I'm going to add over here. Let me make it a little bit right, and let me reduce the size for this one because it's looking too big. And let me add over here in the center. We can make it, we can reduce a little bit more so that I can align it this one. And so yes, I have created it. Okay, oops. Cool. So now I'm gonna add some interaction with this one. So I'm just going to choose this frame. It will be jump on this frame while dragging it, and whenever I drag it up, then it will go back to the previous frame. Let me remove it. Okay, cool. Let me play it. Cool. Yes. And because on the top, because this frame is already open on this frame as an overlay, so or you can consider it a separate screen. So I need to add these UI element because it will be part of the same frame. So let me put it over here and keep it everything on the background, on the back. Boom. Let me play it again. Shoo. Drag down, drag up, go back. So yeah, that's it. So this is which I have created to learn you how to drag down and minimize your player, and whenever you hit on any one of the card, then it will be expand on the same screen. So this is the smooth interaction, or you can say the animation in Figma, which I have created for you guys so that you guys can learn how it will be going to work. So in future, if you create something similar to this interaction, then you guys will be achieved easily. Most of the people don't know how to create these kind of animation. That's why I created this animation or this interaction for you, so that you can learn these small interaction in Figma. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. If you like, if you have any question, if you have any If you need any suggestion, if you need any help from me, I'm here to teach you do how to create all these kind of interactions in the Figma. I will be happy to guide you to create all these interactions. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. See you in the next. Definitely I will be upload in next week a new interaction, so that you guys can learn the new interaction in the Figma. So this is all for the beginners. I know the experienced people have good knowledge about all these interaction, but yes, I have created only for the beginners only. Yeah, waiting for your reply, waiting for your comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want, please do. Thank you.